Your favorite cricketer in the current Indian team?
Current Indian team, I've loved to bat Virat because the way he plays, the way he adopts to the situations really quick.
Hello and welcome to the 15th episode of All Things Cricket by the 12th Man. Today we have with us a very unique young talent from the Indian Under 19 team. He has also played for the Under 23 team of India. He's played the Asia Cup for India Under 19 and India Under 23, and he currently plays for Vidarbha. So we have with us a very good young talent called Yash Rathod. Hello Yash, how are you?
All good. How are you?
I'm good. It is so good to have you here.
Yeah, I'm glad that I'm here.
That's great.
Thank
So,
you so much.
Yash, how have you been spending your time in this lockdown? Practice routines obviously disturb हो गए हैं, so how have you coped up with it?
Right now, when lockdown started,
Yeah,
तब से I've taken some rest. After 2 months, I started my training. Bit,
right.
धीरे I started my training. And then now from last month, I'm on my practice now.
You've been
Enjoyed a
practicing now.
lot with my family. Yeah, I enjoyed a lot with my family.
That's good.
I learned a lot of things. Seeing how it's so difficult for a mom to, पूरा घर dress up, change, कैसे करना.
अच्छा.
It's not easy.
घर के काम भी करे मतलब इस time में.
Yes.
That's great. Basically, we will do this in 3 segments. Initially, we will talk about you under 19 cricket in general. Then we have some questions for you that we'll take up in the second segment. And finally, we'll have a quick rapid fire segment.
Okay.
So I'll go to my first segment. The first question that I have for you is about you. So I want that you tell the viewers everything about yourself, how you took up cricket, why you took up cricket, and how it feels to be at this level now.
See, I was 3 years old when I started playing cricket.
3 years old.
Actually, yes, my grandfather was very passionate about cricket.
Yeah.
So when I was about to born, so he said to my dad that if a boy comes, so he will definitely play cricket because my grandfather's dad has never allowed him to play.
Okay.
He was that passion कि मुझे इसे बनाना है. So when I was there, so जब मैं 3 साल का था, that time I started cricket. धीरे when I was 8 or 9 years old, 10 years old, that time first I selected for VCA when I was 10 years old for Vidarbha in the academy.
Right.
वहाँ से जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई है. उसके बाद मुझे आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक कि हाँ मुझे इसे एज अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ मुझे लेनी है. आई वांट टू मेक माय करियर इन दिस. फ्रॉम दैट ऑनवर्ड्स at the age of 11 I played under 13 Cadence Trophy in Pune for 2 years.
Right.
And then I played under 14 cricket for 3 years. I played 16 cricket for 2 years. Then I played 19 for 3 years. I'm playing 23 and I played India and 23 as well. So it was my whole journey, and there was a time when there was a setback in 16. When I was 14, I played 16. After that, I didn't play anything. Second year of my 16, that was a setback for me. And before that, I used to only take many wickets.
Right.
But after that, I just focused more on my batting. I batted a lot. Then after that, things changed. I performed in 16. Again in 19, I was leading run scorer for Vidarbha and for India as well. I've scored 2 seasons. I've scored 1,000 runs.
Yeah, right.
And after that, I called up for Asia Cup.
So इस सब में मतलब when you tell us everything of this sort, you said 3 साल की उम्र पे आपने खेलना चालू किया. So after like 15-16 years of hard work, when you get that India call up, you say Asia Cup में इंडिया के लिए बुलाया, वो feeling उस moment में what did you do and how did you react to that?
See, there is a story behind it.
Yeah.
So if you'll allow me, I will
of course,
definitely tell
we
you.
would love to know.
The story behind is, when I was 10 years old or 11 years old, my grandfather and I was just talking with each other. So he said, and even my thinking was like, before India, I have to play under 19 World Cup. Anyhow.
Yeah.
But the time when there was a Vinu Mankan Trophy, जब सिर्फ जोन में होता था, पहले पूरा इसमें नहीं होता था इंडिया में, पहले जोन में होता था.
ठीक है.
That time zone हुआ, and we were the champion of the zone. Vidarbha was the champion.
Okay.
And that year, our openers were on fire. They were like hundreds. हम chanceless matches जीतते थे उसमें, मतलब without any wicket and all. वो time फिर उसके बाद zone की team आई. and that was the only time that I can prove myself to play World Cup. But I was not there in the zone team. Just Vinu Mankan ended, and Asia Cup squad was out for Malaysia.
Uh,
We were there on the railway station. That night, when we were traveling, I didn't slept. I was like, I'm nowhere again. So I felt like somewhere कि I मैंने जो प्लान किया था वर्ल्ड कप खेलने का अभी वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा.
right.
Then I accepted that okay, but उसके एक साल पहले ऐसा हुआ था कि जो लास्ट ईयर वाले हैं उन लोगों को एक टेस्ट सीरीज हुई थी नागपुर में.
Right.
हर्ष त्यागी खेला था उसमें. आई डोंट नो आप उसने बताया होगा कि नहीं. Then I felt कि okay, I have one chance. I can represent India anyhow, but I can. तो वीनू मंकन के बाद जस्ट टेस्ट क्रिकेट चालू हुआ अंडर 19 का. बिफोर दैट आई वर्क हार्ड अ लॉट. I used to bat 3-4 hours every day. I focused. There was a goal behind it. I was working for that. And when you scored 1,000 runs in the season, and the only batsman from Vidarbha who has scored 1,000 runs in the season, felt really good. After that, we played zone. I was around 300, 400 runs I scored in the zone as well in 4 matches. And then I called up for Asia Cup. I was like, I can't express that. I was in my tears,
Definitely
to be
understand.
very honest. And I felt really good. I've called up to my dad and to my big dad, I said, I'm in the team, and we felt really, really good. I felt really good. Whatever I worked hard for, it's paid off. So I felt really good.
That's a very
That time.
inspiring journey,
Story.
and honestly, all of us hope this only keeps moving forward. So,
Yes.
on that note, I have to ask you one more thing कि आपने इतना अच्छा story बताया, इसमें एक चीज और रहती है कि when you are a young cricketer who is doing exceptionally well, ऐसा होने लगता है that people start comparing you कि अच्छा लेफ्ट हैंडर है तो ये युवराज सिंह बन सकता है, अच्छा लेफ्ट हैंडर है तो ऋषभ पंत बन सकता है. Things like these start happening. So how does this affect your psyche when you are compared with somebody else? Ki the expectations come up. How do you deal with these expectations basically, and does it affect you negatively anytime?
See, to be very honest, it never affected me.
That's good, yeah.
It never affected me. Only thing I have always I felt pressure is somewhere expectations of my family. Only thing where I felt somewhere, but not when I'm performing really well, because that time you also feel good. Yeah, I'm performing, everything goes good. But it happens when you are suffering from a bad patch. That time somewhere, you go really negative. Ki hoga, nahi hoga. That time always I take pressure of only I feel expectation of my family, because I want to do everything for them.
Yeah.
I want to give everything for them. जो उनने पहले नहीं हो पाया वो मुझे अभी उन सबको देना है. I mean my mom, dad, my family. So मुझे सिर्फ उनका expectation को लेके मैं थोड़ा negative होता हूँ. But somewhere I always believe in myself that I know I can play. Every day when I work hard, I always make sure that there is a purpose behind it, and whatever I'm doing, it should somewhere help me when I'm there on the ground. So this is what my mentality is when I go for my practice and my matches.
That's a very good mindset to have actually. उससे फिर आपको motivation भी ज़्यादा रहेगा. But one more thing I will ask you on this is that जैसे आपने बोला कि थोड़ा सा expectation कभी family से ही आपको affect करता है कि I have to perform well. When you are walking out and you have that fear of a bad performance, at that instant, how do you deal with it?
At that instance, it actually happened in this season.
Yeah.
See, that time, we go really negative.
Mm-hmm.
But that time we have to be so उसे क्या बोलेंगे, so positive. That time we have to be positive. That time we can वो चीज accept कर सकते हैं कि okay, हर कोई situation से जाता है.
Right.
बट वो करंट सिचुएशन मुझे करना क्या है वो चीज इंपॉर्टेंट होती है करना. इफ आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ मैच, ठीक है, मुझे लगेगा मुझे आउट होना है, बट वो वैसे भी हो ही रहा था पहले भी. तो दैट इज वेयर समवेयर यू हैव टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ दैट टाइम एज वेल कि नहीं, मेरी एक इनिंग कभी भी आ सकती है. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ वन इनिंग. अगर मैं एक इनिंग अच्छा खेलूंगा, आई एम बैक इन माय फॉर्म. इट मैटर्स ऑफ वन इनिंग. वो जैसे जैसे वो समय आगे जाता है, यू आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वन इनिंग, 2 इनिंग, 3 इनिंग. So somewhere you can feel कि ठीक है, I am close somewhere to an inning. I just have to play one inning that can help me for next few innings.
Right. तो एक चीज और बताओ भी इनिंग्स की भी बात करें बॉलिंग की भी करें आप अपने आप को अब पहले आपने बोला यू वर अ बॉलर देन यू गॉट टू बैटिंग तो अपने आप को आप बैट्समैन ज्यादा मानते हो इस समय या बॉलर ज्यादा मानते हो
See, I was a batsman all-rounder.
या
I'm a pure batsman from beginning. But I never used to score runs. I used to score runs in a domestic circuit जहाँ पे सिर्फ ये होता था, trial matches होते हैं. When you perform, they pick you for the team.
या
So I used to score there. Then the competitive matches comes, domestic matches comes. I never performed there. I just bowl and I just took wickets.
ओके
So I always preferred batting. But after when there was a setback that year, I stopped bowling. That time I'm more focused on my batting. That yes, I have to go for batting. No more bowling now. I stopped then.
sounds good and with that I'll take you to our second segment which is about Indian cricket and my first
Okay.
question to you in this segment will be throughout all of the years that you watched cricket what is the moment of Indian cricket that you loved the most
It's an obvious, I guess. For me, first, I will go with 2013 Champions Trophy.
okay
Second, it would be 100% World Cup. Why? Because 2013 Champions Trophy was somewhere we were on a losing side.
mm-hmm. And
Morgan
then
and Ravi Bopara was batting really good.
yeah and
But
that
Ishant
Shant
one
Sharma
spell changes, yes. So that's
That's
why
a
I
new
kept
answer. So
first.
उसका होता है सबसे पहले 2011 वर्ल्ड कप है that's a very good perspective from you कि वो हारा हुआ मैच जो हमने
Yeah,
जीता that is a better thing
yeah. But and then second 2011, obviously,
definitely
Mahi Bhai and Gautam Gambhir has played really good, but the situation was really difficult on 2013. So that's why I kept first 2013 and then 2011.
that makes a lot of sense and we have a few questions for you as well so we'll start with one question that we've got for you that says that बहुत बार हमें ये बताया जाता है and it is represented a lot that under 19 team के guiding figure के mentor Rahul Dravid sir है and
Yeah.
Rahul Dravid has a huge contribution to each and every player who has been in the under 19 team. That is how it is always portrayed. So the question that has come along for you is that what is it about him that makes him the figure that the team admires the most?
See, he's so helping kind of a person. I have never interacted with him so much, but yes, I have. When I was there in 23 Asia Cup, we were there in Bangalore. I've not interacted much, but he's so helpful and he's so clear about his things. And so, first important thing is his experience. He always
Right.
shares his experience. So he has played a lot of Test cricket, lot of Test cricket. I mean, over 10,000 runs he has scored in Test cricket. So he just shares his experience. He has knowledge of each and everything. So he just shares that, and that makes very easy for the players when they interact with him. So it makes really clear for other players. जिनसे वो बात करते हैं ना वो जो प्लेयर पूछता है वो क्लियर हो जाता है काफी कि yes and it helps to the player so he's very helpful kind of a person.
That's actually very good to know. And one more question, this is more towards the fun side that we received for you. It
Okay.
says that every youngster has an ambition to play in the IPL. So if you were to be selected, which team would you love to play for the first?
See, I would always love to play for KKR.
KKR. कोई special
Yes,
reason उसका?
because Gambhir has led the team for 2 years, and I mean for a long time, but he have made champion 2 years,
Twice,
2012 and 14. So yes, I would like to play in KKR.
That sounds really good. And now with that, we'll move to our rapid fire segment. More questions of this sort for you. The
Okay.
first question in this segment is that the funniest moment related to cricket that you've been a part of, on or off the field.
Funniest moment, genuinely, I didn't remember anything. But off the field, in my personal life, I can share. It's only one. So it's like my friend, one of my friend, a girlfriend. Girlfriend means not girlfriend, girlfriend.
Yeah, okay.
So she was, riding a car, and I was just sitting beside her. She has put a first gear, and she was watching back. That is, she's taking a reverse.
Okay. और आगे ले लिया.
So yes, and it happens a lot of times. She don't know what she's doing. From fourth gear she takes first gear. rather than taking on third. Many times it happens.
तो
So
कभी
these are
ऐसा
the
हुआ है कि
funniest.
रिवर्स लेने की जगह आगे लिया और आगे कोई खड़ा भी हो?
नहीं मैं हमेशा क्लियर कर देता हूँ ना, गाड़ी पहले पे है. ऐसा.
Okay, that's actually really funny. And moving back to
Yes.
cricket, so your favorite cricketer in the current Indian team?
Current Indian team, I've loved to bat Virat because the way he plays, the way he adopts to the situations really quick, and he changes his game according to the situation. So that's somewhere it really feel good. Love to see him bat.
Okay, and अगले segment में I'll try to do one thing with you. I will just name a shot, and you have to tell me that according to you who plays the shot that shot best. And not just an Indian cricketer, you can name any cricketer you've admired or seen. So the first shot I would bring up is the straight drive.
God, Sachin Tendulkar.
Fair enough. And the cover drive,
Cover drive, I will go with Virat.
Virat Kohli. And moving to
Yes.
the pull,
Ricky Ponting.
Ricky Ponting. That's a very good answer. And the scoop shot,
Josh Butler.
Josh Butler. And cut,
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma. And the smartest cricketing brain, according to you.
My bhai.
Okay. And whenever you've gone out to bat, the toughest bowler that you had to face.
Toughest bowler I've played.
मैच में
Is,
जरूरी
when
नहीं
I
कभी
was
नेट में खेला हो कभी कुछ.
net में every bowler I feel is toughest. Every bowler. Every other bowler I feel it's tough to play in the nets. But in the match, I was playing KCA Trophy in Bangalore.
Uh-huh.
There was Bangladesh A team was there, and I was playing Taskin Ahmed.
Okay.
So it felt really bit difficult for me to play him.
Okay. And we'll move to a little bit of fun now. I will just say a word or a line, and you have to tell me that वो किसके लिए सबसे ज्यादा जचता है from your dressing room. So जैसे मैं बोलूँ prankster तो आपको बताना है who is the biggest prankster in the team ऐसे. So let's start with that only. Who is the biggest prankster in your team?
Ayush Badoni.
ये पहले भी सुना है ये नाम कुछ ऐसा ये
Big prankster.
ऐसा any particular instant that something he has done, because I think this is the second or third time that somebody is saying he's the prankster.
He's so mad when we always when we go in the lift. वो एक ऐसा आवाज करता है वाइब्रेशन जैसा. And sir is there. Sir आपका फोन बज रहा है. पर वो फोन नहीं रहता है, वो अपने मुंह से करता है. And sir checks the phone. नहीं मेरा नहीं बज रहा है. He always do this.
He's a काफी unique talent हुआ.
हाँ.
Okay, and सबसे शांत इंसान कौन है आपके ड्रेसिंग रूम में?
सबसे शांत हमारे ड्रेसिंग रूम में शांत in the sense you mean calm?
Yeah, calmest, yeah.
Harsh Tyagi.
Okay, Harsh Tyagi.
Was calm, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
and the funniest person to be around?
Funniest person to be around is Ayush. 100%.
Again, okay, the biggest foodie?
Foodie, I would say me.
Okay, मैं बोलने वाला था अपना नाम भी ले सकते हैं जैसे सोच रहे थे ऐसा लग रहा था. And who do you think is the most short-tempered? सबसे जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाए field play mostly.
Me.
Also you, okay. And if you had to bet your money on one player, the next big name to make it big in the international circuit.
Atharva Tade.
Okay, so moving back to the senior team, the cricketer that you look up to the most.
Gautam Gambhir.
Gautam Gambhir, right. And if there is one match that you could play again for any reason, अच्छा था, बुरा था, your reason, if you could play it again, which match would it be?
Under 23 Asia Cup match against Pakistan, semi-final match. We lost that game, and I think somewhere because of me. Yeah, so I would love to go back, and if I got,
And
I would love to go there on that. Yes.
That makes sense. And in the next few things, I will say the first thing. I will say something, and you have to tell me the first thing that comes into your mind. So number one is women's cricket.
Getting more opportunities to play high level for youngsters.
Right, and Rishabh Pant.
Power hitter.
Gautam Gambhir.
Best.
And moving forward, BCCI.
In the safe hands. Saurav Ganguly.
Agreed.
For youngsters, for every other cricketers.
Completely agreed. And the Asia Cup?
Good platform for young cricketers for to go in IPL and all.
Right. And one final one in this segment, the Indian Premier League.
Perfect platform to play India cricket.
Okay, and on that note, I will ask you one more question. This time, after sabke squads pata hai, we know the players who are playing for the teams. This time, the squad that you think is the strongest and has the best chance of winning it.
Yes, I would love to see win RCB.
Okay.
I feel this time RCB will win.
Okay. UAE mein hai, is that one of the reasons you said?
Yeah, maybe because I feel the team is really balanced.
Mm-hmm.
Parthiv, Devdutt, ABD, Virat, Moin. So I feel it's really good. Good balance side.
I agree. And Devdutt is, I think, somebody everybody is looking forward to watch this IPL.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, my one final question to you is that finally, in all of these years, what does cricket mean to you? If you could put it for us in one word.
Everything.
Everything. That's great. So it has been so good to have you here, Yash. Thank you so much for joining in. And
My pleasure.
It has been really good to talk to you. And I think everybody would be very excited to be watching in this episode. There are a lot of people who already asked about when this episode will be released. So thank you so much for taking out your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ujjwal Bhaiya. It's been really good. I felt really good talking with you.
Yeah.
Really felt good. I'm glad that you called me for this wonderful session.
And anything else you would like to say to your fans who are watching this?
I would like to say the persons who are playing cricket or anything what you want to achieve in your life is most important thing is be a consistent hard worker and be honest to yourself and be honest to your hard work. So it will somewhere help you really to be a successful person in life.
That's great. Thank you so much for joining in.
Thank you so much.